Welcome to iQuestionPH. Today's question is how to use the preposition from. A preposition is a word that usually tells where or when something is in relation to something else. From is one of the commonly used prepositions. Here are the ways of using from in a sentence. First, it is used to show the starting point of something. Examples: Mara worked from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. He walks every day from his house to school. Second, it is used to indicate the place, person, or thing that someone or something moves away from or originates. Examples: my new classmate is from Malaysia. I got this book from the cabinet. Third, it is used to show that somebody or something is separated or removed. Examples: the CEO was ousted from power after 10 years. The student was expelled from school after he became violent. Fourth, from is used for stating what substance has been used for making something. Examples: the toys are made from a very durable plastic. This medicine is made from plant extracts. Fifth, it is used to show the reason for something. Examples: she felt exhausted from too much work. His legs sore from playing basketball. And sixth, it is also used to talk about distance. It is used for saying how far away something is in relation to something else. Examples: we live 5 kilometers from the beach. My table is 2 meters away from the door. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time!